Ladies and gentlemen,
let's just start. Don't on the table. I'm gonna do a very light filing of them. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna do my dehydrate and prime with my usual stuff. These are the dual forms that I'm going to be using. It came with these, and I have no idea what these are, but it came with these. So yeah, they have, this has a whole bunch of different nail shapes in here. Let me see. It's gonna take forever to find my sizes. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my nails out. I realized this is my first time actually opening this kit right here, and they gave me 2 of the same kinds of nail. So I'm gonna have to email email the seller to see if they can fix that. But anyway, I don't have any square tips in there, which would have been nice. Anyway, so we're gonna try this. I'm gonna use this. I don't think I've tried this one yet. I've had this for at least a year. At least. To do a base coat first. Am I supposed to do a base coat? I don't know. Yep, okay. Nice thin base coat. Okay, 60 seconds. This is the slip solutions I'm using by Morvan. Literally the first brand that I ever used on my YouTube channel. I don't remember how much to put. I'm just gonna put a blob. I feel like that's not enough. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Actually, it's not that bad. I can fill in any gaps, I guess. It's pretty much holding on its own, but I'm gonna use a clamp just in case. Get my slip solution in my brush. And we're gonna start molding. It's so soft. I'm super scared, which is why I'm taking probably way too much time on this. So I'm just gonna stop there. I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna cure this and then move on. Okay, I actually only did 30 seconds because I kind of just needed to sit enough for me to do the rest of my nails. So I'm gonna do the rest. Okay. Pinch. Okay, here's a moment of truth. So I did 30 seconds as I was going along. If I was curing this one for 30 seconds, this hand was in. This one for 30 seconds, these were in. When I got done, I did this for another 90 seconds and then I flipped over, since these are a little bit darker, and cured those for 60 seconds. They seem poppable, so let's just see. Pinch, pop, pinch, pop, pinch, pop, pinch, pop, pinch, pop. Okay, and I love the gradient kind of thing that I did at the beginning. I've got some imperfections, like there's a gap here. And I don't know if I could fill it. I can try. Okay, so I'm gonna just finish filing around my skin. Make sure that's all cleaned up. I'm gonna do the other hand and then I'll be back. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been like 2 days later. So this is what my nails look like. I think they came out freaking perfect. I've already done this, kind of played around with this hand, so now I know what I'm gonna do with this hand. But I don't know if you can tell, I've used a regular top coat, and then with a matte top coat I've kind of like drawn heart designs or just like this little French or whatever on my nails. This nail is jacked the hell up. This thumbnail I did end up having pockets, definitely user error. What I ended up doing is just drilling the pockets out and filling them in with the product. Regular top coat, cure this for 60 seconds, and then I'll do the matte with the designs. This is the matte that I'm using. This is my first time using this, but it seems pretty good. I'm just using a dotting tool to set that product and make some hearts. Okay, so we're done. I'm gonna put the oil on. I think they came out cute. Okay guys, so we are all done with the nails. What? Some of them came out better than others, but that's okay. The idea is there. You know, execution is a little harder than expected, but that's okay. Your girl's getting better. I'm obsessed with these nails. Everything that I use will be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.